In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add location on Calendly. Calendly is a powerful scheduling tool that simplifies setting up meetings and appointments by letting others easily book time with you. Whether you're using it for business, interviews, or personal events, adding a clear location for your meetings is crucial, especially for in-person gatherings. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to specify a physical location for your event types in Calendly. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to the Calendly homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see a few different ways to log into your Calendly account. If you want to use your Google account, simply click on Continue with Google. Alternatively, if you prefer another login method, such as email, you can go ahead and choose the option that works best for you. For those using Google, you'll need to select which Google account you'd like to associate with Calendly. After selecting your account, Calendly may prompt you to grant the necessary permissions. Just click Continue to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard. This is where all your event types and settings are managed. From here, we're going to focus on the Event Types section, look for it in the navigation menu, and click to access it. Now, in the Event Types section, you'll see a list of all the different event types you've created. Locate the specific event type that you want to update with a location. Once you've found it, click on it to open the event details. Next, let's adjust the details for your event. Click on the Event Details option, which will bring up all the customizable settings for this specific event. Here, you'll need to find the section labeled Location. This setting determines how attendees will meet you for this event. To ensure it's an in-person meeting, select the option that specifies in-person. After choosing the in-person option, you'll now need to enter the location details. This is where you can type in the exact address or venue name for the meeting. Be as clear and accurate as possible. This will help your attendees easily find the location without any confusion. Once you've filled in the location information, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Update button and click on it. This ensures all the changes you've made are applied to the event type. Before you wrap up, take a moment to double-check the location details you just entered. Accuracy is key here. Even a small typo in the address could create unnecessary confusion for your attendees, so it's worth the extra second to review everything. And that's it. You've successfully added a location to your Calendly event. Now your attendees will know exactly where to meet you for in-person appointments. So now you know exactly how to add a physical location to your Calendly event types. If you have any questions or need help with another Calendly feature, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.